Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the magical world of masks in Figma. Yep, not the superhero kind, but the design ones, though they're pretty powerful too. First up, let's mask an image. All you need are two objects, a picture, like my channel avatar, good looking, right? And a shape, like an ellipse. Press O on your keyboard to summon that perfect ellipse. Adjust the size, move it around, and get it just right over your picture. Think of it like cropping, but cooler. Now, here's the trick. The ellipse needs to go underneath the picture because Figma works like a sandwich. Each layer stacks on top of the other, and the mask, ellipse, needs to be at the bottom for it to reveal only what's above it. To rearrange the layers, select the ellipse and use the left bracket key. Or right-click and use the contextual menu if you're feeling fancy. Once that's set, select both layers, the picture and the ellipse. Right-click and hit Use as Mask. Boom. Your mask is done. You should now see the image shaped by the ellipse. Want to tweak it? No problem, you can move the image, adjust the shape, and make it all look just the way you want. Now, let's kick it up a notch. Masking text with an image. Press T to add some text, play around with the size and font because why not, and type your masterpiece. Same drill. Place the text underneath the picture, select both layers, right-click, and choose Use as Mask. The best part? You can still edit everything afterward. Just double-click the elements or use the Layers panel to adjust fonts, reposition the image, and basically fine-tune it until it's pixel perfect. And there you have it. Masking in Figma made easy and fun. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment saying I subscribed so I can personally thank you for joining the fam. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next one.